Hey guys, welcome to Nate's Carving Creations. Today, I'm going to show you how I did this asymmetrical wood spirit. He's only got one eye. Maybe the right eye there was gouged out by, I don't know, some bad bar fight or something. Hell, I don't know. I just had the idea and started carving. So, check it out. This is how I did. Enjoy. Okay, guys, goggles on. Let's get carving. All right, guys. There's this wood spirit, this one-eyed wood spirit. I put a scar through uh, the right eye for effect. Maybe he's a pirate or something. He's got just a hint of a nose, mouth, beard, and mustache. He's not symmetrical, but that was the goal of this carve. Didn't want symmetrical. I didn't want him to be symmetrical. I wanted something different. Okay, he'll he stands on his own. So now I'm ready to sand and finishing. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button if you like what you saw. And thanks for watching. Hope everybody's doing okay. If you think for this guy, put it in a comment below. Okay? If you'd like to test out some of these Kutzall burrs, I did all this with Kutzall burrs with the exception of the hair. Okay? I'll put the link to the US website in the description of the video, and use code NATECC, all caps, no spaces, at checkout and save yourself 5%. Free shipping to anywhere in the US. Okay? But until next time, stay cool and keep carving.